Just be out with us to Chich Rain Forest Lodge, located on the northwest side of Belize. In this video, we're going to show you what different accommodation types Chich has to offer. We are staying in the deluxe CASITA. So let's start the room tour. As you walk in, this is a standalone house. We're staying in the CASITA number 9. There are a total of 12 CASITAs, standard and deluxe, and one deluxe villa, which we're taking you there next. This is all your space, your private porch, lounging area. You're surrounded by trees and nature. You have chairs and a table and a hammock here on the porch. And this is incredible because this area has so much wildlife running all around. As we just checked in right away, we saw 2 foxes passing by our CASITA. If you want to see the entire walking tour of this lodge, we will leave the link in the description below and also at the end of this video. Welcome to our deluxe CASITA. Even though we're in the middle of the jungle, the accommodations are stunning. You have a lot of wooden decorations here. This is actually water. As you check in, you will be presented with 2 reusable water bottles, so you can just fill it up and use it as you go. There is a coffee station where you can make your own coffee. This is real plant, by the way, and this gorgeous bed with an overhead ceiling fan. And I absolutely love the way the roof is designed here. It's not your standard roof. This is called, I think, touch roof, right? There are real flowers here, and the windows actually do not have any glass. There are screens here so the bugs don't come in, and there are louvers. I'm not sure how to close that. Okay, so just turn. I guess I have to figure out the system for it. And there is a net for you for when you sleep to wrap around your bed so mosquitoes don't get you. And now let's go check out the spacious bathroom. The difference between standard CASITA and the deluxe CASITA: in the deluxe CASITA you have a bigger bathrooms. There are 2 sinks here with 2 rain showers. Look, this is amazing. I can't wait to shower here. And of course you have a toilet, but the toilet here also has a bidet. And I love robes, and these are really soft. So what do you think of this CASITA, this deluxe CASITA? It also has a closet space, which we already put our luggage, and this CASITA starts at $475 per night in the low season. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this deluxe CASITA, and let's head over to the next luxury villa. Are you ready for the jungle luxury? Well, follow me. This is a 2-bedroom luxury villa that actually comes with a golf cart for 6. Chich has a lot of different trails all around the property, so you can take it out for a ride and spot some wildlife. It's a standalone villa. It has their own entrance, and the porch wraps around the entire house. This house is literally home away from home. It is gorgeous. It has a large porch area, and of course you're surrounded by the trees and nature, and you can hear the sounds of all the birds and howling monkeys as well. So don't be surprised if you get a resident spider monkey here or playing somewhere in the trees. So now let's go inside. This is the only room type that actually has air conditioning, or should I say central air. As you walk in, right away you're walking into this luxury living space with 2 couches and beautiful fresh flower centerpiece. There are 4 lamps with beautiful details, and the overhead lamp is so beautiful with pineapple shapes. It is really gorgeous. On the other side of the living room, again, you have another flower arrangement here, some decorations on the wall, 2 chairs, and this is a mini kitchenette. It has water container, mini fridge, stuff for you to make some coffee, glasses, and chairs around it. The master bedroom is really large. Right as you walk in, right in the middle of the room, there is a large king-size bed with a super plush blanket, and right across from it there is a wall-size window with a jungle view. So when you wake up to scenes of beautiful nature. The walls here are really cool. They're burlap texture, so it creates this even more cozy look and feel. There is a lot of wooden decorations and wooden materials incorporated in the design of this room. Over here you have a closet with 2 ropes, a window, safe, and some shelves. Each room has its own bathroom, and this bathroom is so large. It has 2 sinks, beautiful mirrors with awesome lighting, and here behind the curtain we have one stand-up rain shower. I love the design of it. Next, in a separate room, you have a toilet and a bidet. And what's behind this door we will show to you just shortly. So for now, let's go check out the second bedroom. This luxury villa sleeps up to 6 people, and the room rates actually start at $600 per night in a low season and $650 a night in a high season. And this is the second bedroom. There is one king-size bed here, but optionally, if you have more people, they do have rollaway beds that they can add here. This bedroom also have its own closet with a safe, shelves, and robes and a mirror. And it has its own bathroom as well. The bathroom is similar to the one you just saw. It also has 2 sinks, lots of lights, mirrors, and a stand-up shower. And what's cool about this, and it has one toilet, and there is another closet space over here. What's cool about this bathroom is you saw we just entered it from the bedroom area, but you can also enter or exit from the hallway. After you. And it leads you to a very special place, your own. So now we are in the back of the villa. It has a nice hammock, a stand-up shower, stand-up rain shower with a view of a jungle. Let us know in the comments, would you shower here outdoors? And this right here is your own private jacuzzi. And there are screens, so you can relax, lounge here, and not to worry about mosquitoes eating you alive here. And the space is pretty large, so your entire family can have fun here and relax. So what do you think of this luxury 2-bedroom villa? Would you stay here, or would you bring your family here? Let us know in the comments below. So now let's go check out their standard CASITA. And now we will take you on a tour of their standard cabana. And there are 12 regular cabanas, deluxe and standard, 6 standard and 6 deluxe. And again, this is a separate standalone cabana. This porch wraps around the entire cabana, and it is so peaceful. All the cabanas are pretty close to each other, but you still have your privacy. And as you walk out on your porch, you have a lot of greenery here. You have tables and chairs for lounging, reading books, bird spotting, and you have also a lounging chair here with a net. So let's go inside standard cabana number 7. All standard cabanas have 2 queen size beds. There is no standard cabana with just 1 bed. They all have 2 beds. The deluxe cabanas have king size bed like the one we showed you where we are staying, and there are also some that have 2 queen size bed. So the difference between standard and deluxe: standard is a little bit smaller. It also has a desk with a water jug and a little coffee station, safe, a little drawer area, extra fan in case you need more air. As you notice, again, this cabana does not have air conditioning. It has a ceiling fan in the living area and in the bathroom as well. Windows here also do not have any windows, or should I say glass. So it has shutters and screens. And as far as bugs go, they do fumigate all the cabanas. And what's cool about the service here, when you're out for dinner and when you come back from your dinner, the housekeeping actually set up the screens for you. They tuck it under the bed, so the bed is perfectly set for you to go under the blanket and enjoy your night of rest. Here on top, you also have some screens, and you hear a lot of nature sounds. So if you're really into nature, that would be perfect for you. You hear birds. Yes, even at night you hear birds, and some of them sound like they're right inside your cabana. You hear crickets, you hear howler monkeys at night as well. So it is a really cool, authentic experience. The bathroom here in the standard cabana is much smaller. It only has 1 sink and a much smaller shower. And the bathroom area is not separated by a separate door, and it does not have a bidet. But it is a really cozy cabana. It is absolutely great experience staying in the cabana. So at night it's not as hot as you might think. This cabana starts at $350 per night in the low season and goes up to $425 per night in the high season. And if you haven't seen our video of the walkthrough of the entire property, the entire lodge of Chich, we will leave the direct link in the description below and at the end of this video. We thank Chich for hosting us, and we thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And as usual, just be out with us.